Yep, let's address it. There's rigs, and they've been built, and there wasn't videos of those rigs being built. Yeah, I'm not good at this yet, but we're working on it. By the way, stay till the end of this video. I'm doing a GPU giveaway, so for details on that, stay for the end of this video and we'll cover that. And build a 3070 GPU mining rig in less than a minute. Ready, go. Find the hole, find the hole. Oh crap, whoops, wrong hole. Aha, there we go. All right. You know that transition thing that YouTubers do where they just like, you know, like, let's try that again. Take two. Boom, flawless. Slight disclaimer, you probably shouldn't throw your hardware onto your rig, and I'm sure some PC Karen in the comments is going to tell me as to why that's the case. I don't care, but yeah, you probably shouldn't do that. That's tight. I just realized every single one of these is supposed to be shifted down. Dang it! Voila. Now for my favorite part, wiring. Come on now, I'm not that dumb. You seriously think I'd do that? Gotta make her look pretty, even though that's impossible, but we try. You know, do the whole wire tuck gizmo. Take this whole mess and we're gonna shove it right under there. And then my favorite part's when you forget to put a cable in, so now you have to try to work through the rat's nest to try to figure it out, like, oh yeah, that's right, I need a CPU cable. That was a satisfying click. Through the back, loop it through into the motherboard. And just like that, she's in. Alrighty, now for the fun part. Go ahead and plug the power supply cable into the power supply, plug this into the extension cord, flip that switch, and 3, 2, 1. Well, looks like I got a fan here that's probably going out. But other than that, we're actually looking pretty good. Alrighty, and just like that, we have 3 rigs now on the shelf. So, got to do a lot of cable management. Obviously, I've got to get a SSD, I've got to get Ethernet hooked up and all that stuff. So that one's not operational quite yet, but I've got these 2 up here which are ready to go. I really haven't turned these on. I've been building them, and they've just been sitting here. I've got some parts I need to get, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that. I've got some Ethernet cables, power supply cables, I need some more SSDs, just miscellaneous different stuff. Fans, fan controllers, because obviously, as you can see, I've got fans on the back of this rig here, but I don't on the back of the other 2. So that is something I will need to do. Also, this wall is really bare. If anybody knows what I should put there, it just looks bad on video. But anyways, I need to get some fans. I've got fans on the back of that rig, but the other 2 rigs have nothing behind them. So I got to figure out that problem. Anyways, we'll go ahead and jump to the computer. We'll go from there. Just kidding, we're staying here for a sec. I wanted to give an update on the 150 GPU buyout that I did. If you guys haven't seen that video, go back to my first video on my channel. I went over this crazy 150 GPU buy that really basically kickstarted this video, or sorry, this channel. but I do still have about 30 GPUs that I'm gonna be selling. So if anybody's interested in either 5600 XTs, 5700 XTs, 3060 Ti's, or 3070 Ti's, that is basically what I have left. I'm gonna be keeping all the 3070s I have remaining. So I've kind of figured it out. I'm gonna be keeping roughly 50 GPUs. And all of those are gonna be comprised of basically 42 3070s, and then I have 8 3070 Ti's. I just couldn't bring myself to get rid of all the 3070 Ti for the Win 3, so I made that rig there. But other than that, if anybody's interested, shoot me an email. It is in the description. And thanks to a lot of you that reached out to me from either my video or Modern Mining's video. I got a lot of those GPUs off to you, and I've gotten some great feedback. Sounds like everybody's enjoying those. Alrighty, now for the reason I'm sure most of you guys are still here and watching this video, we are going to be doing a GPU giveaway. This is a MSI 5700 XT Mech Overclock Edition. I just want to say thank you guys. The first couple videos, the support you guys have shown has been amazing. Special shout out to Modern Mining as well, who's actually shouted out my channel a couple times and been definitely a part of that growth. So this is what we're going to be doing. To go ahead and enter this giveaway, it's super simple. We're going to run this for 7 days. You have to like and comment down on this video, whether you like this style of video in the beginning, if there's any suggestions you'd like me to change up, and just overall, I'm new, I'm trying to learn. If you have any suggestions for me, let me know down in the comments. So you have to like, comment on this video, and then you have to be subscribed to not only myself, but also subscribe to Modern Mining, just as a way to say my thank you. I do appreciate everything he's done to help and support this channel so far. So that is what you got to do to enter into this giveaway. I'm going to be picking a winner in 7 days. So it'll probably be on my next video. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. And I will see you guys in the next video.